sings to Maurice, the man beside the road. He has just a rhythm for the hour there in the cold. But he seems to have a purpose only not to him. As he walks along the street the night to the town of Bethlehem. In his head he held the memory, all the words he knows. In his hand he clutched a medal for bravery he showed. But wait for every battle he carried in his heart. But his eyes within, searching for wonder in the dark. Some are born for greatness, some are born to fall, some are bound to be forgotten, like they never leave their role. But we all born to know Him, stand before His eye, like a soldier who find a king tonight. For politicians, surrounded their command. He had fought for all the causes he did not understand. But he's something deep inside him now, led him on his way, with a single star to guide him to where the baby lay. He stood before the Son of God to come the payout day. He smiled up at the soldier dead, world we soon forget. He held up his medal and said, "This for you I bring." Then he showed a legend to the newborn baby king. Some are born for greatness, some are born to fall, some are born to be forgotten, like they never leave their role. But we all born to know Him, stand before His eye, like a soldier who find a king tonight. Oh yeah, like a soldier who find a king tonight.